Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 56. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 here. So 2, 4. No help here. 1, 2, 4. 4 here. So 1, 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 2. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. That 2 makes this our 4. We can get rid of this 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 here and a 7 here, so this is our 8. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 4, 9. For this top row now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 3. 3 here, so 1, 8. And no help here, 1, 3, 8. For this column, we are missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing a 7. And for this box now, we're missing a 2. That 2 makes this our 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 3, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here. So 1, 2. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got the 5 here. So 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. I don't see any help, so 3, 8. And with that 1, we can get rid of this 1. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. That 1 makes this our 3, 8, 1. And that 1 makes this our 3. And for this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.